In this video, I will show you how to change nightlight strength on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to change the nightlight strength, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click to open up your settings. If you don't see this here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. What you need to do now, once you're in your settings, is come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto system. Then what you want to do is come up to the top and click onto display, and in here you're going to see an option for your nightlight. So what you want to do is click onto nightlight, go into your nightlight settings. Now in here you're going to see an option for strength. You can see the slider bar here, and we can simply adjust the strength by moving this slider bar up or down. So that is how to change nightlight strength on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.